it's Michelle with Pink & Main. Thanks for joining me today. I'm super excited. It's July 1st, so it's time to share our new subscription products. I'm going to start with our Stamp of the Month. If you subscribe to our Stamp of the Month or our Stamp and Die of the Month, we ship them around the 10th of the month, and they ship for free within the US. With all of our subscriptions, as long as you're a subscriber, you get an automatic 15% discount on most everything else that's on our website. And that's an automatic discount. So as long as you're logged into your account, you are seeing and paying the discounted price. No code needed. So this month, our 4x6 stamp set for the Stamp of the Month is Hey Hot Stuff. And it includes these super adorable little dragons. We've got a dragon with a flower. We've got one with a hot mug of hot cocoa or coffee or tea, whatever hot drink that you prefer. We've got one with a stack of books, and we've got one reading a book. And they've all got big, adorable glasses on. We've got a sun and some clouds and some cute sayings. Ours is My Favorite Story. You're a class act, and Hey Hot Stuff. So if you subscribe to the Stamp of the Month, you're going to get the stamp delivered to you each month. If you subscribe to the Stamp and Die of the Month, you're going to also get the coordinating die. So that is our Stamp of the Month for July. Now, after I go through the kit, I've got a bit of a surprise, so you'll want to make sure you hang on there till the end. Next, we're going to talk about the monthly subscription kit, our Crafty Courtyard kit. This month, the theme is Summer Fruits. In the kit, you're going to get this nice big flyer. It tells you exactly what's inside the kit. It gives you the color palette that we've used, and it tells you about where you can join our Facebook group and share your creations with others and also see what others are creating. On the back side, we've started to give you card sketches, so just kind of a jump start on some ideas of what you could do with the kit. Of course, you can let your imagination and your creativity run wild, and you can do whatever you like. Fruits are hot right now, so I'm seeing them in lots of different things. So this will go right along with that trend. We've got super bright colors. Look at these glitter enamel dots. I don't know if you can see the shine of the glitter in them, but they are super sparkly and fun to add as finishing touch to your cards. We have an exclusive sequin mix. We're packaging them just a little bit different in this fun resealable holographic bag. We've got colorful metallic confetti sequins in here, along with some little fruit slices. So there's all kinds of little fruits in there to go along with the theme of the kit. We have a little bonus this month, which is a pack of our foilables. This is the big posies. These will be sold separately as well, so you can get some more if you like. But they are some super fun, big, bold, chunky flowers. They're going to look great foiled because you're going to see lots of the design of the foil that you use. So it'll make really pretty, colorful, foiled card backgrounds. And you get 8 pieces in the package. You get a full 6x6 paper pad. This is a Summer Fruits. You can see the bold, bright colors. I'll go through some of the patterns here. Our paper pads are on nice heavyweight cardstock. We've got 24 sheets, and there's 24 designs. So we've got fruits and flowers in here. Lots of fun patterns. We've got some polka dots. Look at those citrus slices. We've got apples. We've got plaid, strawberries, some more flowers and dots. We've got some more citrus here with some flowers and some cherries. We've got stripes and pears. Here we've got some more flowers. Flowers and polka dots in a stripe pattern. Some dots, and then I think we're starting back at that watermelon. So as you see, you get 24 different patterns, so you can do so much with these papers. Got our stamp set. And we've got like a row of fruit up here that you can color in. That makes a great little focus point on your card. We've got some citrus slices, little flowers, some cherries, a strawberry, and we've got some great sentiments. I love you very much. We make a great pair. Happy birthday. You make a great pair. Thank you so cherry much. You are the apple of my eye. Squeeze the day. You are the zest. And happy anniversary. So I think this is a great little stamp set to create with, along with the other elements in the card kit here. We've got coordinating dies that come along in the kit, and the dies will cut out the sentiments as well. You're gonna get a 6x6 embossing folder. This is called Mini Flowers. So it kind of coordinates with the paper pad there that has all the flowers. This will be lots of fun and make a great background. It gives that extra little texture to the background of your card. You're gonna get one of our large stencils, and they all have the holes here that they go in our binder, if you use our binder system. And this is a basket stencil, so you can create almost like a basket weave look. You're getting 2 sheets of our Ice Rink 110-pound white cardstock and 6 sheets of our colored cardstock. Now, our colored cardstock is 100-pound. It's a nice heavyweight cardstock. It's milled in the US, so it's a nice quality cardstock. We sell it separately as well if you need to get extra cardstock to go along with your kits. So we have red, which is stop sign, orange, construction. This nice kind of orangey yellow is a new color for us. It's called school bus. And that kind of goes in between our construction and our street light, which is a nice yellow. It's kind of that in between yellow and orange. We have the park, which is a nice lime kind of green. We have on the green, which is a beautiful like Christmas green. Oh, that's great at Christmas time too. And then we have Lakeside, which is a beautiful teal colored cardstock. So we've got some beautiful, great colors to create with. And last but certainly not least, with our kit, you're going to get our sturdy mesh zippered project bag, which you can keep all your kit contents together, or use it for storing other items, or use it to take your crafting items on the go. There's plenty of uses for the mesh bag. I said I had a little surprise for the end, so here we go. We are starting a new subscription. I'm so excited about this one. We introduced our foil line and our Mink machine a couple months back. It has been going well. People are loving the foiling. We're loving the foiling here. It has such a great look. It adds so much to your cards. So we're starting a foil subscription. So what that means, if you order the foil subscription, just like our kit, just like our stamp of the month, every month it's a recurring subscription. You're going to get a brand new roll of foil. It will be one that we have not released yet, so you don't have to worry about getting something that you already own. We will release the foil separately later in the month for regular release, so you can grab more if you like, but you will be the first to get this roll of foil for the month. You will also be the first to enjoy a small pack of foilables, which is our card panels. This month, it is the ringlets. So it's these nice little circles that kind of overlap each other. This is a great background for cards. So you get 8 panels in the package, and you're also going to get one of our foilable kits. So as our foil subscription each month, you're going to get foilables pack, which is our card fronts. You get 8 in each. You're going to get a full roll of brand new foil. This month, the foil is called Flowers Silver, and it's a gorgeous flower pattern that's kind of holographic. It's silver and holographic, so you see different rainbow colors. It's just beautiful. I don't know if it shows as beautiful on the screen. It's really hard to photograph and film foil because it's so shiny. But that is the foil of the month. And then, as I mentioned, you're going to get a foilables kit. So our kits are 8.5 by 5.5. You get 8 sheets inside. This time there's 2 each of 3 patterns, and then 1 each of like some icons with sayings in them and some sentiments that you can cut out. So we're kind of going with a flower theme here, which also goes great with our fruits in the Crafty Courtyard kit. So you could combine and use these all together. So I'm taking these out to show you a little closer. Here's like a nice flower pattern. Now these flowers are smaller than what's on the big posies that you get with your Crafty Courtyard kit. You also get 2 of this nice kind of vines of leaves, and then you get 2 of these, which is kind of like stripes of groupings of flowers. So that's really nice. And then you get 1 sheet of these nice big flowers with the sayings inside. And these are great focal points for your cards. So you could literally cut these out with either a circle die, that would work nice and easy, or you can fussy cut them. They're not too intricate or detailed. You could fussy cut them out and put them on your cards on these wonderful backgrounds that you get. And then you also get 1 sheet of a bunch of sentiments. So these are great. You just put them in your paper trimmer and you foil them and then trim them down and add them to your cards, and you've got a nice foiled sentiment. So we've got them in with black background here so that the background would be foiled with a white sentiment, or we've got a white background and then you would foil the sentiment. And the foilable kits come in this nice folded sheet of paper that tells you what's inside. There's also instructions on the back. If you haven't done foiling before, there's some helpful tips and tricks here to get wonderful foiling each time. And I suggest keeping your foilable kits inside this little folded piece of paper. It keeps them nice and neat and clean and away from dust and debris. So this is our new foil subscription. I'm really excited about this, and I hope you are too. It's a nice way to add to your foiling stash in your craft room. And just like with our other subscriptions, if you join our foiling subscription, you will also get the 15% off all your other purchases. The only exception to the 15% off is our ink machines and our other subscription items. Thanks so much again for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed taking a closer look at our Stamp and Die of the month, our Crafty Courtyard kit for the month, and our brand new foil subscription for July 2023. You can head over to pinkandmain.com to check them out for yourself. Until next time, my friends, keep living the creative life.